Alright, we're just going to sketch out the log rules and kind of why they work. But just to recap, log base 10 of 10 is 1. And it's 10 to the power of what equals 10. So log base 10 of 100 would be 10 to the power of what equals 100? 2. And finally, log base 10 of 1000. 10 to the power of what equals 1000? Well, 3. And that is because we could write 1000 as 10 cubed. Which is of course going to equal 3, because 10 cubed is going to equal 10 cubed. Okay, now but from this we can do some interesting things. So we could, I'm just going to get rid of my base of 10. I'm just going to assume that they're all base 10, but this works for log of any base. 10 cubed written as 10 times 10 times 10, which is still going to have the same answer. Okay, but what gets interesting is if we look at what's log of 10 plus log of 10 plus log of 10, what would that be? It would be 1. Log of 10 is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 3. Okay, so what have we observed? If we combine these two together, we can see that we had log of 10 times 10 times 10 is the same as log of 10 plus log of 10 plus log of 10. Or in general, log of a times b is the same as log of a plus log of b. And that is one of our log rules. Okay, but wait, there's more. Why don't we group together our common terms here? So we've got log of 10 plus log of 10 plus log of 10. So we've got 3 lots of log of 10. 3 times 1 equals 3. But this takes us right back to the start. I could read log of 10 cubed equals 3. So these are the same thing. 3 times log of 10 equals 3, and log of 10 to the power of 3 equals 3. And it's true in general that log of, if you get log of, say, a to the power of n, such as 10 to the power of 3, that's the same thing as 3 times, n times log of a. N times log of a. Okay, now what we're going to do is use these 2 log rules to derive the 3rd log rule. So we've got these 2 log rules at the top. Log of a times b equals log of a plus b, and log of a to the power of n can be rewritten as n times log of a. And we're going to use those 2 to derive the 3rd one. So log of a divided by b. Now you know from your negative indices that this can be rewritten as a times b to the power of negative 1. Okay, what should we do next? Let's label our log rules. We'll call this log rule 1 and that log rule 2. So why don't we use log rule 2? We've got log of 2 things multiplied together, so we can turn it into log of a plus log of to the negative 1. Now what can we do next? Why don't we apply the first log rule to log of b to the negative 1. So I'll leave log of a alone. If I've got an exponent or a power, I can bring it out the front. So I've got negative 1 times log of b. Or in other words, I've got log of a minus log of b. Alright, so that we have just derived the 3rd log rule, which is that log of a divided by b equals log of a minus log of b. And we are done.